Hello, my dear students. Welcome to the English class. This is Mansur Khan, your MK sir. So, from now, I will be handling the English subject for you all. Now, without any further delay, let us begin the English grammar class. Today, in this class, we will be doing the first topic from your grammar book, and the topic is noun and types of nouns. I know most of us already studied noun from the primary classes itself. Yes, noun is a basic topic, simple topic, but still it's the important topic for your examination. Now let us begin. Okay, first of all, what is a noun? I'm sure you know the answer to this. A noun is just a name of a person, place, animal, thing, feeling, or idea. For example, in this sentence, which is given here, Prajwal likes to go to the zoo and see the animals. Here, there are three nouns. Can you identify all of them? Yes. Here, the name Prajwal, which is the name of a person, and zoo, which is a name of a place, and animals, right? The animals is also a noun. Nouns can also be a things like watch, t-shirt. So basically what I'm trying to say here is, if I tell you noun is equal to name, the name of anything. See your surrounding, wherever you are sitting now, in your home, right? Home is a noun. You may be sitting on your bed. That's a noun. You may be holding a pen in your hand. Pen, that's a noun. You're watching this video in cell phone. Cell phone, that's a noun. You maybe have the textbook or book with you. Book, that's a noun. Right? Anything in your surrounding, whatever the things you see, if they have the name, that is called as the noun. Now that everyone knows the meaning of noun, let us next understand the types of nouns. Right? There are many different types of noun, and we will cover all the major types of noun here. Right? The one is concrete noun. Concrete noun. Second one, abstract noun. Third one, common noun. Fourth, proper noun. Fifth, collective noun. Then the sixth, I have joined the two nouns, the two types of nouns, which are the countable nouns and uncountable nouns, because they are so important in noun. We will discuss that in the later, in the end of that. Right. First, let us go and understand what is concrete noun. Concrete noun means the concrete noun are the name of a things that could be experienced through the five senses such as sight, hearing, taste, and touch. In simple words, if I tell you the things which are physical, that means we can see them and we can touch them. So all of those things are can be considered as concrete noun, right? For example, people. You can hear the people, you can see the people, right? Even you can touch the people. Places, any places it may be. You can see the places, right? You can observe the places. Then animals, again the same. Animals, you can see the animals, you can touch the animals, you can hear their noises and all. So whichever the things are physical, whichever the things we can see, right? So these are considered as concrete noun. Now let us go for the next, abstract noun. What is abstract noun? Abstract noun are nouns that don't have physical existence. It is the opposite to the concrete noun. Right? Abstract noun are nouns that don't have physical existence. Physical existence. This means we cannot touch or see them. These are the ideas, emotions, actions, feelings. So these are the some of the abstract nouns. Let us understand that with the example here. Now in this sentence, honesty is the best policy. It's a very popular proverb in English. You might have heard of it. In this sentence, honesty and policy. Honesty and policy. So these are abstract nouns. In the next example, which is love is a powerful emotion. Here, love and emotion. These are the abstract noun. Love is a feeling, just like the anger, happiness, or sorrow, right? And that's the abstract noun. Again, emotion, that's also an abstract noun. Next, let us talk about common and proper nouns together. Do you know what common and proper nouns are? Common noun is a general name of persons, animals, things, or objects. Just like that, the proper noun is a name given to the specific individuals. Let us understand that with the help of this chart, which is given here. All the common nouns are given this side and all the proper nouns are given this side. Let us take the first example itself. Man. Man is a common noun because it can be mean any man. But here Ganesh is the name of one particular individual, right? And that same will happen for the next one. Women. Women is the same way a common noun. It can be any women. But Allison is the name of an individual, so a proper noun. The next two, city and country, are common noun, but Hamburg and China are the names of one city and one country, so proper noun. Now focus on the list of proper noun. Do you notice something about the proper noun? Yes, you should be noticing that they are all written with a capital letter first. And that is actually the rule in English. The rule is the proper noun are always written with a capital first letter. The proper nouns are always written with a capital first letter. Here, university, for example, when we talk about universities in general, we use it as a common noun. So, whole word is written in lowercase, that means a small letters. But when we are talking about specific university, like the University of Chicago, notice that both U in university and the C in Chicago are capitals. That's because it's a proper noun that refers to one specific university. Okay, there are more examples here, but I want you to focus on the last two, day and month. With the days of the week from Sunday to Saturday, we always write them with the first letter capital because they are proper noun. And it's the same thing for the months as well. From January to December, all months written in capital first letter. So don't forget this rule. Proper nouns are always capital letter first. Starts with the capital letter first. Right? Next, collective noun. Collective noun is a name given to a group of people, animals, places, or things. Let us look at some common examples to understand it. Here, a group of people are called crowd, a group of chickens called brood, a group of criminals are called gang, a group of soldiers are called army, a group of students called class. Right? So, a group of anything it may be, combining the multiple things together, we call them a one word thing. Right? Crowd, the group of chickens we said. If there are more than two or three chickens, that time we can say brood. If there are criminals, a lot of criminals are there and they are in a group, so that time we can call them as a gang. And the army, a group of soldiers, right? The soldiers, the group of our soldiers, that time we call them as a army. Just like that, any group of a persons or animals or things, just like the keys, the group of keys, that can be called as a bunch of keys. Okay, right, let us move on. Let us see next, countable nouns. What are countable nouns? As the name itself says, countable. So countable nouns are nouns that can be counted, right? The nouns can be used, these countable nouns can be used for asking the questions like how many. Some of the examples for the countable noun are book, pen, spoon, building, elephant, person, whatever it may be, which you can easily count by looking at that particular thing. Let us understand with some examples here. How many pens you have? Now you can easily count and you can easily answer for this question. Yes or no? For example, here they have answered, I have 3 pens. Just like that, how many boys are there in your class? Again, you can easily answer for this question. There are 10 boys in my class, here saying, but you can say any number. Whenever you see the boys, a group of boys, you can just count them because these are countable nouns. Next, uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are nouns that cannot be counted. That cannot be counted. And these uncountable nouns are related to some of the questions like how much. Examples for the uncountable nouns are coffee, sugar, love, advice, salt, water. So all these are the uncountable nouns. Let us understand with the example. How much sugar do you want? I want 1 teaspoonful sugar. Here, sugar, can you count the sugar? Or can you say, I want 2 sugar? I want 3 sugar? No, right? You can't. And even if you got a bowl of the sugar crystals, then you started counting it, it's just a big headache, right? So you can't count the sugar and say. That's why the same way, the next question which arises, how much water is in the bucket? there is a lot of water in the bucket. Now what's the answer coming here? A lot of water. He's not saying one water, two water again, right? Because you can't describe how much water is there by looking at itself. So you can use some of the words like this: lot of water, some water. So this is what the uncountables are. So that is it for today's class, my dear students. Hope you have understood noun and types of noun. I will see you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye.